हे गाइस, हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द मेंटर्स रूम। आज अपन देखने जा रहे हैं शेड्यूलिंग एल्गोरिथम्स में फर्स्ट जो है फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व। ठीक है, हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में अपने क्राइटेरियाज देखे थे हमने। ठीक है, क्राइटेरियाज देख लिए थे, फिर हमने बात की थी कि हम नेक्स्ट पढ़ेंगे शेड्यूलिंग एल्गोरिथम्स। ठीक है, शेड्यूलिंग एल्गोरिथम्स में पहली एल्गोरिथम हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व। ओके, एंड दिस इज माय प्रोफाइल। Now, first come first serve. So here, and number of processes you have given with their burst time. You have the task is to find average waiting time and average turnaround time using first come first serve scheduling algorithms. So it is also called first in first out. Okay, so it is very simplest scheduling algorithms. And FIFO simply, and FIFO means first in first out, simply queue process in the order that they arrive in the ready queue. Okay, so in this the process that comes first will be executed first, and next process starts only after the previous gets fully executed. When previous process is executed completely, okay, when it is terminated, then next process will start their execution. Okay, so this is all about the first come first serve scheduling. How to compute below time in round robin using a program. Now this is the completion time. We already discussed about it in the previous video. So completion time is what? Time at which process completes its execution. Means when time executes their completion. Okay, so this time is completion time. If we talk about the turnaround time is what? The difference between completion time and arrival time. Okay, if someone says to calculate the turnaround time of this process, okay, so how we can calculate it? With the turnaround time equals to what? Completion time minus arrival time. With the help of this formula, you can calculate the process turnaround time easily. Okay, next process is waiting time. Waiting time is what? The time difference between turnaround time and burst time. Okay, the difference between what? Turnaround time and burst time. Turnaround time is what? The completion time minus arrival time. Now if we want to calculate the waiting time, now this is the difference between turnaround time minus waiting time. We can calculate this waiting time with the help of this formula, turnaround time minus burst time. So waiting time will be calculated in this way. Okay, so this is first come and first serve scheduling. Now this is the example. All the processes, assume that all the process arrival time is 0. Okay, your first process, you have three processes here, P1, P2 and P3. So the burst time means duration. Burst time is given here. What? P1's burst time is 24 and P2's burst time is 3 and P3's burst time is 4. Okay, order is 1, 2, 3. And arrival time is 0. All the processes arrive in 0 time. Now you have to draw the Gantt chart. With the help of Gantt chart we can solve this problem. Okay, so Gantt chart is here. P1 is first come. P1 is first come here, so it will start their execution in 0 time and complete their execution in 24th with the duration time of 24th. And now second process will come there, P2, and their burst time is 3. 24 plus 3 equals to 27. So it will execute the P2 process complete their execution in 27th time. Okay, next process P3, their burst time is what? P4. P3's burst time is 4. So 27 plus 4 is what? 28, 9, 30, 31. Okay, 31. So now the completion time of all these processes is what? The completion time of all these processes, P1's completion time is 24, P2's completion time is 27, P3's completion time is 31. And if we want to calculate the average waiting time, we can also calculate the average waiting time of these processes is what? P1 is P1 is waiting time is 0. P2's waiting time is what? P2's waiting time is 24 plus 24. Okay. And P3's waiting time is what? P3's waiting time is 27. Okay. P3's waiting time is 27 upon how many processes these are? We have only 3 processes. So upon, can place here 3. Now if we calculate it, then we have 17 will come there. So this is the average waiting time. Okay. So in this way we can calculate the average waiting time, completion time. If turnaround time is also we can calculate here. Turnaround time formula is what? Completion time minus arrival time. Like P1's completion time is 24. Okay. 24 minus arrival time. Arrival time is 0. So completion time is, turnaround time is 24. P2's turnaround time, P2's turnaround time, P2's completion time is 27. 27 minus arrival time 0 means 27. Okay. Turnaround time is same to the duration time, because arrival time is all the processes arrive in 0th time. That's why. Okay. So fourth one turnaround time is what? 31 is the completion time minus arrival time 0 means 31 is the turnaround time of P3. So in this way we can calculate the turnaround time, completion time and average waiting time. Okay. So this is all about the first come first serve scheduling algorithms. In the next video we will see the shortest job first algorithms. Okay. Thank you.